You probably don't own enough Toshi and you know what to do already. Toshi is at a crossroad and most people don't even realize it yet. I refuse to believe the king of base, the number one meme coin on the base ecosystem, won't smash through the local all-time high anytime soon. And once that all-time high is taken out, Toshi is primed to pull at least 10x to 14x move from there to a new high. We are currently trading between 0.00038 and also 0.00030 zone. The current price of Toshi is currently trading around 0.0033, and we are going to be discussing the potential, the most realistic price target for Toshi coin, and also at the end of the day, you should know the amount of Toshi coin you need to hold in order to make good money from your holdings. I was privileged to have got into Toshi in 2023 when the market cap was around $1.4 million market cap. I got into Mochi around 350 something K market cap as well. And that my first entry into Toshi was after Toshi crashed from the previous high it got to. And I seized the opportunity to bag a lot of Toshi then in 2023. And after that, we were privileged to see a massive move for Toshi in 2024 all the way to, I think, close to $1 billion market cap. 900 and something million dollars technically. So I sold, portion of my Toshi on our way to that $900 million market cap, and I'm still holding large portion of the Toshi. Now, the truth of the matter is it is not over until it's over. If you're paying attention, the current market cap is currently seated at $142 million for Toshi coin. Our current volume is $13 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is now minus 11%. If you're here to like this Toshi video, smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. My name is Isaac. You're welcome. Now, considering this I call this market cap a juicy and an extremely undervalued market cap for a project with such potential, for a project with massive $10 billion to $14 billion potential. Now, considering this market cap, if Toshi should move 100x from here, is going to be an easy $14.2 billion market cap. Easily. That is, the current price is going to cancel 2-0. By the time Toshi cancels 2 zeros from these 3 zeros, and we should be expecting an over $10 billion market cap, which is still very, very realistic. Right now, it is being ignored by a lot of people, dismissed as just another meme coin. But beneath the noise, something very different is happening. Wallet activity is changing, liquidity is shifting ahead of potential Binance spot exchange listing. And when that happens, the sky is going to be the starting point for the Toshi price move. We are going to be talking about the BTC price real quick, and also the orders chart against the BTC pair, and also the BTC dominance, in order to get a clear picture of what we should really expect for Toshi coin. Now, imagine you getting into Toshi at this current price. By the time we cancels 2 zeros, you should be expecting more than 10,000% profit, more than 100x gain from your Toshi holdings. So if you ask me, a more realistic price target would be 0.035 for Toshi coin. A more realistic price target, which is an easy 100x from here. Now, even if we should drop from where we are currently ranging, because it's obvious Toshi is now ranging in between these two price territory. Just like I said earlier, it's obvious we are ranging in between this territory. So even if we were to get a drop from where Toshi is currently trading to either side, it will just mean for we to pump to this range high, tap into the range high, and then correct from there to the downside. And a potential move to the downside will still be bullish for Toshi coin. It will just mean we tapping into this territory, flipping that territory into a support, and then getting a bounce from there to the upside. So regardless of what happened, as long as Toshi doesn't lose this range, there is no cause for alarm at all. But as long as we are not losing this 0.00030 zone, there is no cause for alarm at all. And the moment you guys see Toshi flipping this range high around 0.00038 into a support, it is an indication and a confirmation that we are about to go higher on the price of Toshi coin, and it will be game over for the bears, like seriously. Now, this BTC chart is one of the most important catalysts that is going to give us a clear picture on how altcoins are going to move, either to the upside or downside. Now, this is the BTC price on the 4-hour time frame. Quickly, we're going to be talking about the BTC dominance in this video. Now, if you're paying attention, we have a potential reversal zone here, which is likely to act as a support territory. The reversal zone is between $94,700 and $93,800 for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC/USDT pair on the perpetual contract market. Now, by the time we tap into this territory, we are likely to get a bounce. We have 70% to 80% chance of getting a reversal, a bounce from here to the upside on the price of BTC. And if this pump should continue, then I'm looking forward to short BTC in this first resistance around the 100K level for BTC. By the time we tap there, we are likely to get a rejection. My final most local top resistance for BTC would be around $106,000 for BTC. So by the time we get to the $106,000, surely I think we have 80 to 95% chance of getting a retracement from there. By the time BTC, even if BTC overcomes the 100K, flip it into a support, then the 106K territory is likely to be the local top resistance on BTC. So let's even check what the RSI is saying. RSI is currently in the overbought territory. The last time we tapped into the overbought territory, we corrected and sold to the downside. The RSI corrected aggressively. So we are now in that same territory, the overbought territory, on the same level with the previous high. So I won't be surprised if we start getting a rejection from here into this potential reversal zone. A loss of this potential reversal zone, and a flip of it into a resistance is likely to send BTC price lower than expected. Like seriously. And if BTC is going down this much, then altcoins are going to get massacred as well. So yeah, that's that for that. So the moment we start getting this rejection to tap into this liquidity pool once again, then altcoins are likely to reject as well and tap into their support territory before getting a bounce from there to the upside. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, nothing really has changed on the BTC dominance. And we are currently at 59.65% on the BTC dominance. We are still expecting that aggressive move to the downside, which usually leads to a massive altcoin rally. We had that move in 2017 when we were an altcoin short aggressively to the upside. Same move happened in 2021. An altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Now we're waiting for that move to happen probably in 2026. And the moment this BTC dominance begin her aggressive correction, then altcoins are going to go parabolic and ballistic to the moon. Like seriously, that is when you can start expecting to see 100% gain, 200% gain on a daily basis on your portfolio. This is the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. Now, for those who don't know what the orders chart is, it is the ratio total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 and BTC market cap. Now, the last time the orders chart found her bottom on this, I call it a multi-year significant trend line. The last time it found her bottom was when the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And when the quantitative tightening came to an end, what happened? It marks the bottom of the entire market. And from there, we started rallying, coiling up gradually until we exploded. Now, I think same playbook is repeating herself. The 2019 playbook is obviously and literally repeating ourselves before our very eye. Quantitative tightening came to an end December 1st, 2025. And what happened? The market bottomed and proceeded with a bullish brief pump in January 2026. That should ring a bell. That should give you a green light and also open your eye that the market has bottomed. Even if we should get any pullback, I believe it's still not going to go below this trend line we are seeing right here. And I'm expecting a bounce from this trend line all the way to this high. And that bounce is going to be massive. The moment that bounce is happening, altcoins are going to pump 10x easily. We pump to this high and then retrace into Q2 ending 2026, which is likely to be the bear market, the start of the bear market. The moment we retrace into that zone, found support here, I think 2027 is going to be massively disastrous for the bears. The bulls are going to make a lot of money by the time we tap bottoms this year and then rally in 2027. But this rally you're seeing right here, like I've said countless times, it is still going to be very, very massive for altcoins this year by the time this move begins. It's not over until it's over. Smart monies are quietly positioning themselves ahead of the rally. You know what to do already. My name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Invest wisely. Peace out.